How to make a copy using your Brother MFC-J1260W. Step number one is to open the scan lid and to put a document. Now, how do you place it? So you have to place it facing down, and the top left corner of your document should touch the top left document of the scanner. You see there's an arrow here. This is how you know that everything is aligned. Close the scan lid, and over here, I mean, it's very simple. This printer is not very complicated to use. You simply have two different choices, monocopy or color copy. Okay, so I'll choose a color copy, but you can press the other one if you want in black and white. Don't forget to extend the small tray. Make sure you have paper. Press the button and it will come out. Now, this is for one single copy, but what if you want, let's say, 5 of them? Well, you simply have to tap the button 5 times. So instead of just one, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tap quickly the number of copies you want, and you'll get them right over here. See, so this is for one copy. Let me do 2 copies by pressing twice, let's say on the monocopy, the black and white. Okay, I pressed twice and now both will come out. So this is about it. Very easy to use. And yeah, that's how you make copies. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you have a bit more time and you want to get some ink supplies for this printer or some paper. Check my Amazon links down below. You support my channel every time you purchase through them, and it doesn't cost you more. I just get a very small commission. See you in the next one.